To another of our top stories in news just coming in, the government of India has reportedly assured a delegation of left party MPs that they will not oppose the bail of two Kerala nuns who were arrested in Chhattisgarh. It's an incident that has triggered a major political storm. Protests are raging in Kerala in particular, and a tribal girl at the center of the case has now made explosive allegations against the Bajrang Dal workers. Sumi Patel gets you the full story from Chhattisgarh.
The arrest of two nuns in Chhattisgarh has snowballed into a political firestorm that has shaken up Kerala politics and left the BJP sharply divided. The nuns, Preeti Mary and Vandana Francis, arrested on July 25th, remain in jail after two lower courts refused to hear the bail pleas, citing the charges of human trafficking, asking them to move in NIA court. While the Chhattisgarh government, headed by the BJP, had opposed bail to the nuns, the Kerala unit of the BJP is backing the case.
The Kerala BJP unit has taken more nuanced stance amid growing pressure from the Christian community and the civil society there. Raji Chandrasekhar, who happens to be the Kerala BJP unit president, has made it clear that Congress and the left is trying to exploit the whole situation, trying to gain political points and calling it vulture politics.
State BJP leader Sobha Surendran visited nun Preeti Mary's home on Wednesday to show solidarity. A delegation of Kerala leaders met Home Minister Amit Shah on Thursday, urging the centre to step in.
We, the left delegation MPs, had met the Honourable Home Minister in the light of the arrest of new nuns who have been jailed there in Durg. And the Home Minister has promised that he will facilitate the release of the nuns, and we are expecting the release. They would be released on bail tomorrow.
Protests are raging in Kerala. Church bodies held demonstrations in Thiruvananthapuram and Kottayam. In a twist in the case, one of the tribal girls allegedly targeted by the nuns has accused Bajrang Dal workers of assault. Kamleshwari Pradhan claims she willingly went with the nuns for employment.
मैं आगरा जा रही थी अपनी माँ पापा की मर्जी से अपने नंद लोगों के साथ वहाँ काम के सिलसिले में जा रही थी और वहाँ हम लोग के साथ ज़बरदस्ती मतलब रेलवे स्टेशन में जोर ज़बरदस्ती हुआ हम लोग को मारे गए हम लोग को पीटा हम लोग को मतलब जोर ज़बरदस्ती किया गया कि आप लोग जो सच्चाई हम लोग बोल रहे हैं और आप नहीं बोलोगे तो आप लोगों को जेल होगा आपके भैया को मारेंगे पीटेंगे आपके नंद लोगों को जेल में डाल देंगे.
Kerala will go to polls next year. The BJP has been wooing the Christian community in the state, but the arrest of the nuns in Chhattisgarh has put a spoke in their election plans. With Sumi Patel, Bureau Report, India Today.